नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लास है यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोग को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर 2 द साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक पर क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोग को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन ए फ्यू वर्ड्स और ए कपल ऑफ सेंटेंस इच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ ओल्ड वाज ईवर लेंस व्हेन सी went to the Royal Academy of Music. Question number 2. When was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Answer. Number 1. Evelyn was 60 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music. Answer number 2. Evelyn's deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old. It was confirmed when her headmistress told her parents to get her checked up done at the age of 11. Question number 2. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, 30-40 words. Question number 1. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Question number 2. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn's performance. Answer number 2. Number 1. Ron Forwest helped her continue with music by tuning two large drums and different notes, and he said, "Do not listen. The music song you hear, try to sense it some other way." Answer number 2. Even with a hectic international schedule, Evelyn's gives solo performance at regular concept. Apart from this, she given free concerts in pensions and hospitals. She also give high priority to classes for her young musicians. Question number 3. Answer the question in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. Question number 1. How does Evelyn's her music? Answer number 3. Answer number 1. Evelyn's headed music by sensing the notes in different part of her body. When Ron Forwest tuned two drums to different notes and she could sense the sound without using her earth. She could feel the higher drum from the west up and the lower drum from the west drum. She learned how to open her mind and body to sound and vibration. It was her different determination, passion, and hard work when she played the xylophone. She sensed the sound passing up the streak by her finger tips. She removed her choice on a wood platform so that the vibration could pass through her bare feet and up her legs. It tingled in the skin. Her cheek bones at even in her here by learning against the drums. She could feel the vibration flowing into her body. Question number first. Take the right answer. The Senin Pongi was a reeded noise maker. Question number 2. Bismillah Khan, a warder, Ali Box transformed the Pungi into a Senai. Question number 3. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were warders, performance musician. Question number 4. Bismillah Khan learned to play the Senai from Ali Box पैगंबर बॉक्स उत्सव फयाज खान. Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to Afghanistan, USA, Canada. Answer number 1. The Pungi was a reeded noise maker. Number 2. A bordered transformation the Pungi into a Suhnai. Number 3. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were professional musician. Number 4. Bismillah Khan's learned to play the Senai from Ali Box. Number 5. Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was a Afghanistan. Question number 2. Find the word in the text which show Ustad Bismillah Khan's feelings about the items listed below. Then mark a trick. Write in the correct column. Discuss your answer in class. Bismillah Khan's feeling about positive, negative, natural. Number 1. Teaching child music. Number 2. The film word. Number 3. Migrating to the USA. Number 4. Playing at templates. Number 5. Getting the Bharat Ratna. Number 6. The banks of the Ganga. Number 7. Leaving Benares and Dhumraon. Answer number 2. Bismillah Khan's feelings about positive, negative, natural. Teaching child music. Positive. Right. The film's words. Negative. Migrating to the USA. Negative. Playing at templates. Right. Positive. Getting the Bharat Ratna. Correct. Positive. Number 6. The bank of the Ganga. Right. Positive. Leaving Benares and Dhumraon. Negative. Question number 3. Answer this question in 30-40 words. What did Aurangzeb when the playing of the Pungi? Number 2. How is a Sehnai different from a Pungi? Number 3. Where was a Sehnai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan changed this? Number 4. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? Number 5. Where did Bismillah Khan play the Sehnai on 15 August 1947. Why was the event historic? Number 6. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Sehnai school in the USA? Number 7. Find at last two intersections in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Benares. Answer number 3rd. Number 1. Aurangzeb wanted the playing of the pungi at it made unpleasant serial sound. Number 2. Sehnai has a better sound quality than pungi. Pungi is are said to be a little shorted, a volume in the center, whereas Sehnai is a long and broader at the end. Number 3. The Sehnai was traditionally played in royal contemplations and wedding. Ustad Bismillah Khan was a monarch of Sehnai who brought this instrument onto the classical stage. Number 4. Bismillah Khan got his big break in 1938. The All India Radio opened in Lucknow of Bismillah Khan played Sehnai of radio. He then became very popular on radio. He became the first Indian to greet the nation. This is Sehnai from the Red Fort of 15 August 1947. Number 5. On 15 August 1947, Bismillah Khan played the rag Coffee on his Sehnai from the Red Front. The event was a historical moment because it was the occasion on Indians' independence from British rule. Number 6. Bismillah Khan said the request to start a Sehnai school in USA. He would not live away from Hindustan, especially from Vanaras, the river Ganga and Damron. Number 7. The first instance he is when he refused his student to start a Sehnai school in USA. The second instance is when Khan Sahib was asked by Shekhar Gupta about moving to Pakistan during the partition. He said that he would never leave Banaras. Question number 1st. Look at this sentence. Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Evelyn managed to console her growing difference from friend and teacher. The Italy said part answer the question. What was Evelyn's determined to do and what did Evelyn manage to do? They begin with a to verb, to live, to console. Complete the following sentence beginning with a to. Very try to answer the question in bracket. Question number 1st. Number 1. The school sport team hopes. What does it hope to do? Question number 2. Will we all want dash? What do you what do will all want to do? Question number 3. They advised to hearing impaired child mothers dash what did they advise her to do? Question number 4. The authorical permitted us to dash what did the authorities permit us to do? Number 5. A musician decided to dash what did the musician decided to do? The school sport team. Answer number 1. The school sport team hopes to win the match. Number 2. We all want to go to success in our life. Number 3. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to consult a doctor. Number 4. The authorities permitted us to consult the welding. Number 5. A musician decided to open a school from child. Question number 2. From the text of Bismillah Khan, find the word and phrase that match phrase definition on. Write them down the number of the paragraph where you will find the words. Phrase has been given for you in bracket. Number 1. The home of royal people. Number 1. Number 2. The state of being alone. Number 5. Dash. Number 3. A part which a absoluted necessary. Number 4. To do something not done before. Number 5. Without much effort. Number 6. Quickly and in large quantities. Dash and dash. Answer number 2. Number 1. The home of royal people. The royal residence. Number 2. The state of being alone. Solitude. Number 3. A part which is absolute necessary. Indispensable. Number 4. To do something not done before. Invent. Number 5. Without much effort. Lessery. Number 6. Quickly and in large quantities. Things and fat. Question number 3. Take the right answer. Number 1. When something is repeated, it remains. Dates lives again. Number 2. When a government wants something, it want it stopped started. Number 3. When something is considered auspicious, welcome it, avoid it. Number 4. When we take to something, we find it boring, interesting. Number 5. When you appreciate something, you feel it good and useful. Find it of no use. Number 5. When you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. Find it of no use. Number 6. When you replicate something, you do it for the first time, for the second time. Number 7. When we come to terms with something, it is still upsetting, no longer upsetting. Answer number third. Number 8. When something is revered, it lives again. Number 2. When a government wants something, it wants it stopped. Number 3. When something is considered aspirations, welcome it. Number 4. When we take to something, we find it interesting. Number 5. When you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. Number 6. When you replicate something, you do it for the second time. Number 7. When we come to term with something, it is no longer upsetting. Question number 4. Dictionary work. The sound of the Senai is experience. The experience sound of the Senai is usually heard at marriages. The objective expresses can occur after the verb we as in the first sentence of before a noun, us in the second, but there are some adjectives which can be used after the verb we and not before a noun. For example, Ustad Fayaz Khan was overjoyed. We cannot say the overjoyed man. Look at this entrance from the Oxford Advantage Learners Dictionary 2005. Elder object noun objective. Number 1. Only before noun of people easily two member of the same family order. My elder brother, his elder sister to the elder used without a noun immediately after it to show who is the older of two people, the elder of their two sons. 3. The elder formal used before us after name to show that they are the older of two people who have the same name. The elder pit the elder. A y object verb adjective not before noun, not asleep, basically, immediately, before, for, or before or after, sleeping, to be half, fully, awake, to be wide, awake, I was still awake when he come to bed. Consult your dictionary and complete the following table. The first on have been done for you. Objective only before noun, not before noun, worth before and after the verb be. Impressed, afraid, afraid, outdoor, paternal, con- countless, princeless. Use this word in face of sentence of your own. Answer number 4. Objective only before noun, not before noun, birth before and after the verb be. Number 1. Indispensable. Right. Impressed. Not before noun. Right. Afraid. Before birth before and after the verb. Right. Outdoor. Right. paternal right, counter counterless right, princess right. Some sentence using this adjective or number एक C is indispensable for the successful completion of the project. Number 2, Sunita was impressed by my singing. Number 3, he is afraid of the dark. Number 4, come to India and enjoy the great outdoors. Number 5, I enjoy the company of my paternal uncle. Number 6, genius was so world with countless gift. Number 7, my grandmother have me a priceless bit of advice. Speaking, question number 8. Imagine of famous singing Kisuri Amonkar is going to visit your school. You have been asked to introduce her to the audience before her performance. How would you introduce her? Here is some information about Kisuri Amonkar. You can find on the internet. Read the passage and make notes of the main point about her percentage. The School of Music she belonged to, her achievement, her inspiration, awards. Padma Bhushan Kisuri Amonkar Vided constituted the finished female vocalist of her generation was birth in 1931, daughters of another great artist Sumit Mogu Moguvai Kurdikar. In her early years, she absorbed the approach and repertoire of her distinguished mother's teacher Ashton Astad Aladia Khan as her own style developed. However, she moved away from Aladia Khan's Jaipur, Australia, Ghana. Stay in some respected and a mature artist. Her approach in usually regarded as an individual, if not unique, variant of the Jaipur models. Kisuri Amonkar is a thinker besotted by what she called the mysterious words of her ranges. She discuss them with the precision of a perfectionist, almost like a scientist, until the most sublet of sadness and emotion emerge and re-emerge. She is very much inspired by the teaching of the ancient Vedic sages written at a time when vocal music was highly devotional in characters. This soul searching quality of our music, coupled with a very intellectual approach to rega performance, has gained her quite a following in India and has helped to revive the study of Kyle. Significant awards bestowed of this artist include of संगीत नाटक अकादमी अवार्ड 1985, द पद्म भूषण 1987 एंड द हाईली कोटेड संगीत सम्राधिनी अवार्ड considered on of the most prestigious awards in India classical music in 1997। आंसर किशोरी अमोनकर was daughter of another great artist Smith Mogwai Kurdikar। In her early years, she absorbed the approach and repertoire of her distinguished mother's teachers, Ustad Aradia Khans, as her own style developed. However, she moved away from Aradia Khan's Jaipur Astroli Gharana style in some respected, and as a mature artist, her approach is usually regarded as a individual, if not unique, variant of the Jaipur models. She is very much inspired by the teaching of the ancient Vedic save written at a time when vocal music was highly devotional in characters. His soul searching quality of her music has helped to receive of study of Khayal. She was honored by my award like the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 1985 in Padma Bhushan 1987 and the highly coveted Sangeet Samradhini Award considered one of the most prestigious award in India classical music in 1997। Question number second. Use you notes on Kishori Amonkar to introduce her to an imaginary audience. You may use one of the following phrases to introduce a guest. I am honored to introduce. I feel privileged to introduce. We welcome you. Answer number second. My dear friend, I am honored to introduce to you a great singer, Padma Bhushan Kishori Amonkar. As you now she is the daughter of distinguished classical singer Margubal Kurdikar. She was birthed in 1931 and started learning classical music from her mother, Guru Ustad Aladia Khan, at an early age, but as her style matured, she moved to Jaipur, Atrauli, Grana, and developed her own individual style. She received the Khayal. She is inspired by the teaching of the ancient sages of India and listening to her. Khayal is a spiritual experience. She was honored by so many awards. She received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1985, Padma Bhushan in 1987 एंड द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस संगीत सम्राधिनी अवार्ड इन 1997। रेटिंग क्वेश्चन, इफ यू वर्क हार्ड एंड नाउ वेयर आर गोइंग यू shall get there say easily. Evidence Glenier. You have now read about two musicians, Evidence Glenier and Ustad Bismillah Khan. Do you think that they worked hard? Where did they want to go? Answer this question in two paragraphs on of each of the two musicians. Answer: the facts about two musicians. Ustad Bismillah Khan. Ustad Bismillah Khan is a famous player of Chennai. He was taught playing Chennai by his uncle Ali Box. He sat beside him, captivated for hours. His favorite haunt for music was temple of Balaji and Mangala Maya. He inverted ranks by inspiring the following: water of Ganga. He was the first India who welcomed the nation of the first Independence Day. We participated he the films. Also he was awarded the highest India's civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. He has become a worldly musician of Sahnai playing this. He reached where he wanted to go. Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie was a determined as well as store-willed girl. She worked hard to learn the music she liked most. She took drum for tuning and tried to realize the sound throughout some other. Why she accepted the challenge and audience for the Royal Academy of Music in London, scoring the highest mark of capital 2 awards. She become a world now person. Thus she reached where she wanted to go. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।